right, ready, babe?
Yeah, almost.
Babe, it's supposed to be love this thing. What? Check that out! Wait a second. Babe! Babe, come here now. Check this out. Babe, check it out. Come here. Try this. Try it. Take it. Shoot that.
All
Go
right.
ahead. Ah!
Nice jeans.
Oh my God, so much better.
That look good.
What happened?
Welcome back, guys. We are so excited to bring you guys some quality, comfortable, well-fitted apparel.
So many of you have been asking how to support this channel.
And just simply watching and commenting is one simple way to do that.
Another way you can support the channel is purchase our merchandise. We have hoodies, shirts, t-shirts, hats, and hopefully a flannel coming soon. We'll see.
Yeah, and we would be honored to have you guys rep our brand. If you do get something from us, please be sure to send us a picture so we can add it to one of our social media albums.
Yep, all right, let's get back to work. Stop doing that. It's motion sickness over here, yeah? Alright, so we're over here where the Ellie's bedroom's gonna be. It's actually a temporary bedroom. Originally, this was supposed to be the staircase that goes up to the loft, and that entire plan got eliminated. So now we sheetrocked it, we're like, oh, we missed something. We forgot to put an extra light right here. So we went ahead and cut a hole real quick, and we're gonna go over how to install an old work style recessed light and see how simple and easy it is to do it. So I'm at this recessed light right here. This is actually the closest light that I have to power this light, so we're going to steal power from here. So I'm going to first take the light out, the LED. Now the light's out, we're going to go ahead and take the housing of this recessed light out also. There's a few screws, I believe 3 around here. Once I pull those out, I can raise this entire thing up and steal power from this light. Alright, push this thing up and out. Now it's out of the way. And right here, I have my junction box. I'm gonna pop this guy open, and this is where I'm gonna get the power from, right here. So this light right here is the closest light to the new light we're installing, so we gotta steal power from this light. So we're gonna go ahead and drill through the stud right there, push the Romex through, and try to catch it and pull the wire down to here and tie it into this box, this recessed light. Alright, she's in. So from our new light right here, we have the floor joist going that way, so we're a little bit off center, but in order for us to get the power, I had to drill through this floor joist to get to the other side where the existing light fixture is at. So now that the hole's done, I'm gonna go ahead and push my wire. It should get me close enough I can reach my hand through the existing light and pull up Romex through and wire it all up. Wham out, just like that.
All right, what are we looking at here, Boston?
Alright, so I'm gonna pop this little KO out right here. I'm gonna do it with my hand. Now I'll just push it up. There it goes. Pop him out, he's out. Slap this NM connector in there real quick. Snap to my NM connector right there. I'm gonna take my Romex. Slide that in. That's plenty enough. Take my knife, I'm gonna strip right down the center, do a light score, right where the ground's at. Right in the center, no big deal. Cut deep. Bring that off. I'm gonna cut that guy too, pull him off. Alright, take these guys right here. Snap him in. Snap him in. Snap him in. Good. Alright, Alright, so let's take this guy, we'll slide him back in. And keep in mind, that light was turned off. I mean, there's no power going to the light, so you can't, don't do it hot. That's good. Alright, she's good. So that side's done. So now we're gonna install the old work style recessed light. Alright, so getting ready to install our 6-inch old work style recessed light. We cut a hole out with this guy. We use a 6 3/8 hole saw. Makes it a lot easier if you have that. It fits perfect. If you don't have that, you have a keyhole saw or a drywall saw. You can get this template. It comes with the light. You find the center, you put it up, you circle around it. It gives you the perfect diameter hole that you need to put the light in. Open the box up, pull the wires out, toss the directions out. We don't need those. So we got the blacks are hot, our whites are neutral, and our copper is our ground. We got the connector in, everything's in. Another tip with this is if you're doing an old work style recessed light, make sure you have enough slack. Don't have it hang out this far and you put it in there and you have some blocking right here and you gotta have this guy go that way because it won't be enough. So you see where the center of your hole is right here? That's where the center of your hole is gonna be. If you gotta face this guy this way to this side and you only have this much wire hanging out, it's not gonna be enough slack. So make sure you have enough slack. Slide the wire in. Lightly score. I'm not even cutting through that outer sheath yet until I do that and I get to the end I go deep. I usually cut those wires off. Slight score, not even going all the way through. Just take this and I just pull it right on off. So I'm not damaging the wire when I do it. Take my strippers, do the same thing. Take a little bit off. Slap that guy in. Take him. Same thing. And now the light is wired up. Go ahead and tuck these back in. Cover back on, snap it in. Go ahead and push this guy in. See how it goes in. I actually messed up that drywall just a little bit by drilling through that stud, but the trim and everything will cover it all up nice, not a problem. Push these little tabs up, little pressures. Push those down. Push them up. Alright, so that light's in, it's a lot brighter in here. It shines well on your beautiful face and that beautiful hat you have on.
It's nice having a light in here.
It is.
And you felt like it was pretty easy, right?
Very easy. It probably took, the most time was just to film. I mean, for me, it was second nature. I mean, I do this, so it's easy. Yeah,
it was kind of funny while we were filming because I'm trying to lean in there and shine a flashlight so that you guys can see up in the hole that he's cut out, what he's doing. So I'm all up in his business, leaning over, trying to hold a flashlight and the camera at the same time.
The camera's right here in my neck.
Yes.
Like this, I'm like this.
So he's all the way leaned back trying to do it. It's always a good time.
Makes it tough, but easy enough though. No issues.
Yes. So hopefully you guys got to see how he did that
yep.
and it was helpful. And now, what's next?
My favorite part, mud.
Mudding and taping.
Mudding and taping.
Let's go.
All right. like this.
You put your mud on that side?
I mean, it doesn't matter. I'm even a lot left. You're right.
I know I'm right.
Aaron, this knife is better, so I guess smaller is better, huh? This video, they're gonna start calling me Joshy Boldry, you know what I mean? Unacceptable. Too thick, dude. Unacceptable. Too thick. Unacceptable. 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 Here's the thing. I mean, you're gonna be sanding and sanding and sanding for hours and hours and hours. You got the job of sanding. I'll record you sand.
I mean, I'm trying here, Josh. Okay?
So am I. I get it. I get it. I get it.
I don't have the technique. It just doesn't just like come naturally to me.
Called practice. You gotta work it. I get it. You gotta work it. You need to cover up that little hole right there, okay? You have all that glob of mud all the way around there. Then right here in the middle, there's no mud. Just, you got some of that, and there's a big old glob around that way. I'm about to get sand.
What? Cabinets ultimately are gonna go here for storage, so you're not even gonna see that. It's all gonna get covered up.
Y'all can't see. I mean, these little dimple holes for the screws. She did like an 8x8 thick coat of mud. So it's gonna be a bunch of grinding down. I mean, not even sanding. I'm gonna take the grinder down to take that down.
You got dimples all over your ass, and I'm not complaining. Can't cover that up. So we are calling it an early night tonight. We have a trunk or treat to go to with the kids.
Not a trick or treat, but a
trunk or treat.
Yes.
So all the vehicles of the like local community members, they all like decorate their vehicles all crazy and that sort of thing, and then the kids go from trunk to trunk at a local store that's around here. So our little ones are looking really forward to that. No, Ellie is not dressing up as a princess. She's actually going to be Iron Man.
Yeah, it's a shame, huh?
she has brothers. I mean, she's got that balance, you know, the girly stuff, the boy stuff. It's a good mix. But anyways, we got a little bit of mudding done.
Yep.
We got a new light in Ellie's room, which is awesome and was needed.
Yep. And so the mudding, it's October, so it's still fairly warm here. So there's no word about freezing, nothing like that. So it's probably 50 degrees right now. So
yeah,
put the mud on, it's above 35, we should be fine. So no issues there.
Yeah, we've only had one really cold night so far.
Correct.
And that's it.
Yeah.
So we're good on that. We're gonna kind of like mud and tape as we go along. We've got the next delivery of sheetrock coming in, so we figured we could tackle something else in the meantime. And
a little bit of mud, and we did pretty bad at it, I think. I mean, we'll sand it, right, Aaron?
I think that the thing is when we set out to do this, we really wanted to do
everything.
Yes.
I'm not doing. So we have a little bit of carpet up on the loft. I'm not doing the carpet. It's not going to happen.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
Sub that one out.
but the rest of the stuff, I mean, we wanted to do anything that we could, and a lot of it was just to learn as we go along. And so at the end of the day, we could be like, okay, we did this. Like, we really did this. So we don't expect it to turn out perfect. No. You know what I mean? Which is okay. But we did it, and we did it together, and that's what matters.
Yes.
Right?
What else we got?
That's it. We will leave a link for you guys below for the shirts and the hats and whatnot, so that you can find them. We always appreciate your support of the channel. You guys have been awesome, so thank you so much.
And who wore it better, me or Aaron?
And we're not talking about the jeans, because we all know who wore those better.
Each one who votes for me counts as 10. The same. Counts as 10.
Okay.
Right?
Let's just stay out of my closet. Okay? Not possible. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Yep, see ya.
Yeah!